Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho in an instant pot. First, you'll need to gather your key ingredients including beef bones, ginger, onions, and a spice blend of star anise, cinnamon, and cloves. Next, ensure your instant pot is clean and ready for use. This method significantly reduces the cooking time compared to traditional stovetop pho, delivering rich, aromatic broth much faster. We'll walk through each step to ensure a delicious result. To build a robust flavor base, begin by roasting your beef bones, ginger, and onions until they are nicely browned. This step is crucial for a rich, complex broth. Then, lightly toast your pho spices in the instant pot for about 1 minute to awaken their aromas. After that, add water or beef broth, making sure to scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot. This deglazing technique ensures all those delicious flavors are incorporated into your broth. Now it's time to pressure cook your broth. Add the roasted bones, aromatics, and toasted spices to the instant pot with enough water to cover them, typically 8 to 10 cups. Cook on high pressure for 45 to 60 minutes. Once done, allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes, then manually release any remaining pressure. Finally, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, ensuring a beautifully clear and flavorful liquid. With your rich broth ready, it's time to assemble your pho. Cook your rice noodles according to package directions, slice your beef very thinly, and prepare your favorite garnishes like cilantro, basil, lime, and jalapenos. Arrange the noodles, beef, and garnishes in a bowl, then ladle the piping hot broth over everything. The heat of the broth will gently cook the beef to perfection. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade instant pot pho.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.